This video is for Lesson 9.2, the law of sines. Your learning objective is right there. I can solve problems by using the law of sine. Okay, so this is basically what the law of sine is. So how you read this says the sine of angle A over side A, so angle A over side A, is equal to the sine of angle B over side B, so angle B over side B, and sine of angle C over side C. They're all equal, so you could create proportions out of any part of that to solve problems. Okay, so when you use the law of sines, it's helpful when this is what your given information is in your triangle. If you're given two angle, angle, side, angle with the side included, or side, side, angle. All right, on problems. So this is example 1 in your notes. I'm going to move that a little bit there so I have more room to write. So let's look at what we're asked to find and what we are given. So we're asked to find B. So this is our unknown, okay? And now we want to look at what we're given before we set up our proportions, because we want to make sure our proportions have all of our given information in it. Well, notice we're given angle B. So I'm thinking I'm going to want to use a proportion that has the sine of B over B, because I need to find side B, and it looks like I'm given angle B. And then also, looks like I'm given angle C, and I'm given side C. So I'm going to make my proportion equal to the sine of C, angle C over side C. So that's just using two parts of that law of sine. Now I'm going to substitute in what I know. So I know angle B is 74 degrees, so the sine of 74 degrees over side B, which is my unknown, is going to be equal to the sine of angle C, which is 45 degrees, over side C, which is 30. So now I have an equation with one unknown, so I can solve this equation for B. Remember this? Two proportions set equal to each other, or two fractions set equal to each other. I can simply cross multiply that. So I would have the sine of 74 degrees times 30 equals B times the sine of 45 degrees. Okay, and then I'm solving for B, so now I want to divide both sides by B. So the sine of 74 degrees times 30 divided by the sine of 45 degrees. That is what is going to equal B. And I can put all of this, sine of 74 degrees times 30 divided by sine of 45 degrees, into my calculator, and what I will find is B equals 40.56. And that's side B. The last thing you want to do is take a look at this triangle and make sure, does it make sense that this side length would be 40.56? And yes, it does make sense. My other side length is 30, so 40.56 seems reasonable. Remember, if you get a number, say like 200 for your answer, that would not be a reasonable side length for this triangle. So do that last check where you make sure your answer makes sense. Okay, I'm going to stop this now, and we'll do our other examples in separate videos.